Hi, hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome to online classes. This is Pinit Ramreddy, lecturer in English, Government Degree College, Mahabubabad. Today, our topic is suffixes, the part of vocabulary. We are going to discuss the suffixes from first year syllabus, second semester. These suffixes are there. So, we have to discuss these suffixes now. Actually, we should know what is a suffix. Suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to the end of a word to form a new word with or without a change of word clause. For example, child and childhood, noun and noun, and free freedom, adjective and noun. Okay, first of all, let us see what is a suffix. Suffix is a letter, a single letter or a group of letters which we add to the end of a word. It is called a to form a new word. When we add suffix to the end of the word we will get the new word. With adding the suffix, with joining the suffix to the root form, we will get the new word. So this suffix, when we add or when we join the suffix with the root form, we will get a new word or without change of the word class. For example, here child, childhood, with adding HO hood, it has become childhood. The child is a noun and childhood is also a noun. And free and freedom, here adjective and noun, like we can make the new words. Look at these examples of suffixes commonly used to form new words. Here some examples are there. Let us see. To form the new words, the examples are there. Let us see what are they. Example, able, able. When we add this able or able to the root form, we will get a new word. For example, audible. Here able we added as a suffixes to the audible. Comfort, comfortable, able. Here we added able. We joined able to the comfort root word. We got a comfortable. Next, convertible. Convert is a root word, able suffix. When we add these two together, we got convertible. Defensible, with a joining able, we got defensible. Next, drink is the root word, able, drinkable. Edible, fashionable, flexible, horrible, manageable, payable, remarkable, suitable, taxable, terrible. See, in these all these words, either with able or with ible, when we add these able or ible or as a suffix to the root word, we got a new word. Next, the other one is al, all, annual, arrival, burial, comical, deferral, familial, historical, natural, original, proposal, seasonal, survival, tidal, tribal. See, for all these words, the suffix, when we join the suffix al, when we join to the root words, we got new words. Simple logic. Next, er or war, conductor with adding war, creator with adding war, driver with joining er to the root word, engineer. Engine is a root word, er, the suffix we join to the root word engine, so it has become engineer. Farmer, foreigner, founder, longer, philosopher, sprinkler, writer. With these all words, with adding er or or, we got new words. Next, Full, F-U-L, full. Beautiful. Beauty is a root word. With joining the suffix ful, it has become beautiful, doubtful, like that. Handful, forgetful, grateful, harmful, helpful, masterful, meaningful, painful, playful, truthful, sorrowful, spoonful, useful, watchful. With this ful full suffix, we added to the all root words, we got new words. Ing, the suffix ing, amazing, 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 blanking, building, calling, challenging, flying, including, living, negotiating, passing, reading, riding, singing, teaching, training. See, this ing suffix. See, dear students, listen carefully here. This ing suffix form, when we add to the root word, root form, we got new words. For example, image is a root word. Ing suffix we added to the image, then it has become amazing. Bank is a root word. With adding suffix ing to the bank, it has become banking. Build is a root word. With adding ing to the build, it has become building. Call is a root word. With adding ing, it has become calling. Challenge is a root word. With adding ing form, it has become challenging. Fly. To the root word, we added the suffix ing form. We join fly root word and the ing suffix together, it has become flying. Next, include is the root word, ing is the suffix. When we join these two root word and the suffix together, we got including. Live is the root word, ing form, suffix is the ing form. When we add these two together, it has become living. Next, negotiate. Negotiate is the root word. Ing form is the suffix. So when we join the negotiate with, when we join the ing with the negotiate root word, it has become negotiating. Pass is the root word. Ing is the suffix. When we join these pass and ing together, we got a new word, that is passing. Read is the new word. Ing form is the suffix. When we add these two together, we got reading, a new word. Ride, root word. Ing form is the, suffix is the ing form. When we add these two together, it has become riding. Sing is the root word. When we add suffix to the sing, it has become singing. Teach is the root word. When we add ing to the teach, it has become teaching. Train is the root word. When we add ing to the train, it has become training. Like ION. When we add this ION suffix to the words, root words, we will get a new word. For example, here, addiction, addict, ION plus ION suffix, addiction. Complication, conversion, create, creation, elevate, elevation, immersion, locomotion, locomote plus shun, locomotion, omission, opinion, penetration, permission, rebellion. Like to the all root words, when we add ION to the root words, we will get the new words. Next, ism, ISM. Here, this ism, when we add to the root word, we will get some new words. ISM, ism, bapt. With adding suffix ism, it has become baptism. Capital, with adding suffix ism, it has become capitalism. Colloquial is the root word. Ism is the suffix. When we add colloquial to the, when we add the ism to the colloquial root word, it has become colloquialism. Next, Exorcism. Exor is the root word. Ism is the suffix. When we join exor plus ism together, it has become exorcism. Next, femen. Femen is the root word. Ism is the suffix. When we add this suffix and root word together, it has become the feminism. We got the new word feminism. Hindu is the root word. Ism is the suffix. When we add Hindu plus ism together, we got the Hinduism new word. Ideal is the root word. When we add ism to the ideal suffix to the ideal root word, we got the idealism. Race is the root word. Ism is the suffix. When we add these two together, it has become racism. Social is the root word. When we add ism to the root word, it has become socialism. It is a new word. Structure. With adding ism suffix, it has become structuralism. Structuralism. Next, ity, ty. These two suffixes, when we add to the root word, we get some new words. For example, here, active. With adding ity, it has become activity. Next, ambiguity. With adding ty, it has become ity, ambiguity. Next, with adding ty, beauty. Next, brutal. With adding ity, brutality. Creative, root word. With adding ity, creativity. Next, cruel is the root word. Cruelty. Equal is the root word. With adding suffix ity, it has become equality. Familiarity. Familiar is the root word. Ity is the suffix. When we add familiar with the suffix ity, it has become the new word. It is familiarity. Next, human is the root word. With adding ity, it has become the humanity. Next, impractical is the base word or root word. With adding ity, suffix ity, it has become impracticality. Next, probable is a root word. With adding ity to the root word, it has become probability. Royal is the root word. With adding ty, it has become royalty. Next, the suffix less. When we add suffix less to the some words, we will get some other new words. For example, child. Child is the root word. When we add less, it has become childless. Childless means without children. Next, depth is the root word. With adding less, it has become depthless. Doubt is the root word. With adding less suffix, it has become doubtless. Fear is the root word. With adding suffix less, it has become fearless. Next, flavor is the root word. With adding suffix less, it has become flavorless. Help is the root word. With adding less less to the root word, it has become helpless. Home is the root word. With adding less less as suffix to the home, it has become homeless. Peer is the root word. Less is the suffix. When we join these two together, it has become peerless. Taste is the root word. With adding less prefix to the taste, it has become tasteless. Tire is a root word. With adding suffix the less to the tire, it has become tireless. Use is the root word. The less is the suffix. When we add these two together, it has become useless. Ly. Ly is a suffix to the root word actual. It has become actually. Brave. Suffix l join with brave. Bravely. Brother. Suffix ly with brother. The brotherly. Daily. Greatly. Happy. happily, hour, hourly, month, monthly, pointed. With adding suffix to the pointed, it has become pointedly. Simple. With adding ly, it has become simply. Sister. With adding ly, sisterly. True. Yeah, with adding ly, truly. Usual. Usually. Wide. Widely. Year. Yearly. Like with adding, we got new words. Meant. When we add this meant suffix to the root words, we'll get some other new words. Acknowledge, acknowledgement. Acknowledge is the root word, meant is the suffix. When we add this root word and suffix together, when we join these two together, we got a new word, that is acknowledgement. Next, agree. Agree is the root word, meant suffix. When we add these agree plus suffix together, it has become agreement. With joining these two together, it has become agreement. Chastise plus meant. Chastise is the root word, meant is the suffix. When we join chastise plus meant, root word plus suffix together, we got chastisement, a new word. Next, commit is a base word, meant is a root word, suffix. When we add this base root word and suffix together, it has become commitment. Engage is the root word, meant is the suffix. When we join this engage plus meant, it has become engagement. Excite is the root word, meant is the suffix. When we add these two together, it has become excitement. Judge is the root word, meant is the suffix. When we add these two together, it has become judgment. Marry is the root word, suffix is the meant. When we add these two together, it has become merriment. Pay is the root word, meant is the suffix. When we add these two together, it has become payment. Oh yes, it is a suffix with adding to the root word. Ambitious. Next, in ambitious, ambitious is the root word, cs is the suffix. When we add these together, it has become ambitious. Anxious, cautious, ceremonious, dangerous, delicious, famous, glorious, hilarious, illustrious, mountainous, nervous, obvious, prestigious, religious, superstitious, various, victorious. With adding suffix ous to the root word, we got the above words. Now, only y, the suffix has the y, only letter y. Cloud, cloudy. With adding y suffix, it has become cloudy. Discover, with adding y, it has become discovery. Honest, with adding suffix y as honesty. Jealous, with adding y, jealousy. Mess, with adding y, messy. Milk is the root word, with adding y, it has become milky. Rain is the root word, with adding y, it has become rainy. Shiny is the root word, with adding y, it has become shiny. Stick is a root word, with adding y, sticky. Victor is a root word, with adding y, it has become victory. Wind is a root word, with adding y, it has become windy. See here, suffix, some suffixes, what are the meanings of them and examples. Noun suffixes, let us see. ACY, state of quality. It is telling about the state of quality when we add the SE. The examples are democracy, accuracy, lunacy. Next, ALL, the action of process. Examples are remedial, denial, trial, criminal. Next suffixes ANC, ANS, ENC, ENS, meaning state of quality of. Examples are nuisance, ambience, tolerance. Suffix dom, meaning place or state of. Examples: freedom, stardom. Next, er or or. The meaning is person or object that does a specified action. The examples are reader, creator, interpreter, inventor, collaborator, teacher. Next, ism, doctrine. The meaning is doctrine or belief. Judaism, skepticisms, escapism. Highest ist, person or object that does a specified action. Geologist, protagonist, sexist, scientist, theorist, communist. ITY, quality, extremity, validity, enormity. Meant means here condition. Examples are enchantment, argument. Ness, state of being. Meaning is state of being. Examples are heaviness, highness, sickness. Ship, ship, ship. Position held, friendship, hardship, internship. SION, Zen, state of being, position, promotion, cohesion. Verb suffixes. Just now what we have discussed the noun suffixes. Now let us discuss verb suffixes. They are suffixes are ate, become, mediate, meaning is become, mediate, collaborate, create. En, become, sharpen, strengthen, loosen. Ify, make or become, justify, simplify, magnify, satisfy. Is, become, publicize, synthesis, hypnotize. Adjective suffixes: able, capable of being, edible, fallible, incredible, audible. Al, having the form or character of, fiscal, thermal, herbal, colonial. Sq, in a manner of or resembling, picturesque, burlesque, grotesque. Full, notable for, full meaning is notable for, handful, playful, hopeful, skillful. Ical, having the form or character of, psychological, hypocritical, methodical, nonsensical, music. US, characterized by, OUS also same meaning, pious, jealous, religious, ridiculous. Ish, having the quality of, ish meaning is having the quality of, squamish, sheepish, childish. Having the nature of, inquisitive, informative, attentive. Less, without, meaning is without, meaningless, hopeless, homeless. Why, characterized by, dainty, beauty, airy, jealousy. Adverb suffixes: illy, related to or quality, softly, slowly, happily, crazily, madly. Word, words, direction, towards, afterwards, inward. Wise, meaning is in relation to. Examples are otherwise, likewise, clockwise. Let us see the examples. Fill in the blanks with words formed by adding suitable suffixes to the ones in brackets. Here, see, dear students, listen, see here, there are the sentences with blanks, and after the sentences some words are given in the brackets. You have to fill the blanks with using the suffix, with adding the suffixes to the given words in the brackets. See, let us stop this dash discussion. Here the word, let us stop this. We should add less to the meaning root word, meaningless discussion. Have a dash of honey in the morning. Spoon, with adding full to the spoon, it has become spoonful of honey in the morning. We need the director's dash for the project. Approve plus val is the suffix approval. Next, is there some new dash bracket develop? We should add meant to the develop. Is there some new development? Next, write a dash essay on Golconda Fort. Here we should write with adding suffix descriptive essay. Your office offer is dash to us. Accept is given there. We should join suffix to the accept. Acceptable. Your offer is acceptable to us. He is and dash man. In brackets ambition. Here he is an ambitious man. This is one of the earliest books on brackets. There should be bracket feminine, feminism. Second one is combine the root word with the correct suffix below to form an adjective. See here, there are some root words, and with given suffixes you have to make the adjectives. Believe verb plus able suffix, it has become believable adjective. Moment noun with adding aus suffix, momentous adjective. Color noun and verb plus full suffix, colorful. Suit verb or noun plus able suffix, suitable adjective. Use verb and noun plus able suffix, with adding able suffix to the use, it has become usable. Enjoy verb plus able suffix, enjoyable adjective. Regret verb plus full suffix, regretful adjective. Sulfur noun plus ous, sorry, it has printed wrongly, it should be as ous, not oud. Sulphurous adjective. Race noun plus ism suffix, racism. See, dear students, there are assignments for you. For each of the suffixes below, list 5 words which are not provided in this section that makes use of this suffix. So see, dear students, there are 5 suffixes. With using these suffixes, you have to make on your own the 5 words with using each suffix. But I am given here some 5 words. You have to make some other 5 words. Here, ION. With adding ION, recreation, imagination, beautification, clarification, motivation. With adding able, breakable, readable, movable, removable, repairable. With adding IC, historic. With adding IC to the root word, terrific, comic, horrific, tragic. Next, fourth one, meant D. Enjoyment, entertainment, punishment, postponement, government. FY, beautify, glorify, magnify, ratify, modify. Like you should make some other new words with using these suffixes which I am given to you. Okay, now friends, thank you, dear students, for and do the homework or do the work. You should prepare the with using the suffixes which are given there, some new words. Thank you very much, dear students. Let's meet tomorrow by morning same time with another enthusiastic class. Thank you very much once again.